Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. This is the fourth video of the 10 days of Halloween, and it is the Bewitching mask. So I already started with my foundation routine already done, so I'm going to go ahead and just put powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout from my eyeshadow and apply my plumping lip gloss so I can start taking effect while I'm doing my eyeshadow. Eyes are already primed as well. Taking nude shadow, I'm going to go ahead and place that on my brow bone and start to blend it down. Next, I'm going to take a plummy brown color and I'm just going to place that in my crease and really start to build it up, especially in that inner corner. For my lid, I took a white eyeshadow and a nude eyeshadow, kind of mixed them together and just placed it on top of my lid. Next, I'm going to go back into my crease with the same exact color before, that plummy brown shade, and I'm going to really start to blend it up and drag it out sort of on a angle. I have a hooded lid situation right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and bring that color a little up to help just mask that hooded lid. Now I'm going back in with a nude shade again and just blending out all of my edges. Taking a black eyeliner pencil, I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline as well as tightline as well, and then start to create my eyeliner. My eyeliner is going to be very dramatic, so I'm really going to create a very big cat eye. Here I'm just relaxing my hood and putting a little dot just so I know where the hood actually starts, and that's where I'm going to mark so I can make sure that my eyeliner doesn't go up past that point, because then if it does and I relax my eyeliner will look awkward. It would be kind of covered by the hooded part of my eye. So there's a tip for people with hooded eyes: just relax your eye and mark where that hood stops on the end. Taking that same exact plummy brown, I'm just applying it to the bottom as well, and then I'm just going to extend the eyeliner to my lower eyelash. Now that that look is complete, I'm going to go ahead and just create the same exact look on the other side. And my eyeliner is not completely matte like I like, so I'm just going over it with some black eyeshadow, just tapping on, and it's creating the matte eyeshadow, the matte eyeliner look. If you have matte liquid eyeliner, you won't have to do this part. Now I'm just dusting away all of that powder, and I'm going to apply some more blush. I had already did this before the video, but I'm just going to put it some more because it kind of got washed off from the powder, and I am going to bring that up into my temples as well and on my nose. Alright, so here I'm going to start creating the web mask. I'm just marking where all the points are going to be, making sure I'm trying to get it as even as possible. I'm pretty much going to play connect the dots with this. So I wanted to start from the center where my nose is, or between my eyebrows, and then I just start marking where I want the mask lines to end. It looks a little odd right now, but you're going to understand while I start doing it. So I'm going to keep on marking where all the points would be, and then I'm just going to play connect the dots with some black body paint. With black body paint, I'm just going to go ahead and start connecting dot to dot. Once I get the pattern how I like it, I'm going to go ahead and perfect the lines. So right now I'm just basically tracing, and then once the shape is complete, then I'm going to go back in and make the lines as even as possible. You're going to see some of them come out thin, some of them come out thick, but it is going to be fixed at the end. Once I do have the pattern drawn out on one side, then I'm going to go ahead and create the same exact pattern on the other side of my face. Now I'm just going to go ahead and recreate it on the other side of my face, and the mask is complete. Moving on to the crystals, I did end up dropping some of them. So this crystal pack I got from Walmart, I believe the Swarovski crystals. It came in a pack with charcoal, clear, and black crystals. So I'm using the charcoal colored ones, or gunmetal I should say. So I'm just attaching that to every single connection point in the webbing. I did end up running out towards the end, so there's about, I believe, 8 spots that didn't get crystals, but it's completely fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to connect that using the eyelash glue. This is what it looks like so far, and the last one I'm going to place by my my eye in my tear duct area. So the mask is now complete and I officially love it. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my mascara as well as my eyelashes. Now I'm just taking off that lip plumper and I'm going to line my lips with a mauve tone lip pencil. I'm also going to fill them in with this lip pencil as well, and then I'm going to put on a mauve toned lipstick. I wanted to lighten up the lipstick, so I'm going to go ahead and top it off with some nude lip gloss, and I'm putting that all over the lipstick, not just the center, to lighten up the entire thing. After this, I'm going to go ahead and hit the tip of my nose and my chin with some highlighter, and the look is complete. This is one of my favorite looks to date. I really love how this came out. I feel so pretty in this mask. But if you guys like it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you guys to be a part of the family, and definitely leave me a comment down below. I'm always reading them. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video number 5. You won't be disappointed.